Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn dice in Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. And once you've launched a game, the best way to earn dice is by completing the events active in Monopoly Go. For example, this event called Boardwalk Bonanza is active right now. And as you can see, if I get 320 of these tokens, I'll earn 250 dice. You can also earn dice by landing on the shield icon given in your map or your board. So one is right here, one's here, and two are here. So there are a total of 4 shield icons in your board. If you land on these, you can also get shields as well as dice. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!